Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today my lecture is related to speaking English. By practicing English, you can communicate with your friends, family members in English. Today in my lecture, I will tell you how you can express communicative functions such as asking questions, making requests, getting things done, or expressing greetings, farewells, apologize, regrets, thanks, etc. I will tell you how you can easily talk or communicate in your daily life, tell you about common sentences so that you can speak English from today. So, start your lesson. I will tell you some common sentences so that you can talk with your friends. Whenever you meet some person, you can start communication like this: good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and at night you can say good night, right? Next, you can start communication. How are you? The answer should be I'm fine, I'm fine too, good, or thank you. What's your name? Or you can say what is your name? What's your name? How is your family? How is your family? How is your family? My family is fine. All are fine, you can say. What do you do? What do you do? I study in class 12 or class 10th, ninth, whatever. In which school or college do you study? In which school or college do you study? Where do you study? I study in whatever your college or school name you can mention there. Where do you study? I study in Beria Foundation College or whatever. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher or businessman. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I watch cricket in free time or read books. I love to listen music. Whatever are your hobbies, you can answer like this. What are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? Study. Where do you live? Where do you live? We are living in Islamabad. I live in Islamabad. How is weather? How is weather? Today weather is sunny, rainy. What language is spoken at your home? What language is spoken at your home? English, Urdu, whatever you can answer. Would you like or would or could? Would you like to tell me something about your family? I am living in a joint family. We are 6 persons. My father, grandfather, grandmother, mother, sisters, uncle, auntie or cousins. Clear? Next you can ask what is your educational qualification? What is your educational qualification? I am doing BCS, MCS or I have done matric. These type of answer you can say. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Or you can say not much, but I want to be a fluent speaker of English. मीन्स अगर आपको इंग्लिश आती है और आप फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल सकते तो आप ये आंसर कर सकते हैं नॉट मच बट आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर ऑफ इंग्लिश. और यू कैन से I speak English haltingly. Haltingly means अटक अटक के. I speak English haltingly, but I want to be a fluent speaker of English. I speak English haltingly, but I want to be a fluent speaker of English. Or other person can say, or you can say, I too want to speak English fluently. डेफिनेटली हॉल्टिंगली तो कोई भी बोलना नहीं चाहता, तो आपका आंसर यही होगा आई टू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. कैन वी प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग टुगेदर? दैट विल बी ग्रेट. दैट विल बी ग्रेट. कैन वी प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग टुगेदर? दैट विल बी ग्रेट. What type of person are you? I am friendly. Attend the call. Arrange the books in order. Arrange the books in order. Open the door. Okay, come to the point. Bring them here. Eat slowly. Keep in mind. Forget the past. Forget the past. Some other sentences are there. Give it to them. Give it to them. Listen to me. Listen to me. Lock the door. Mind your language. Mind your language. Meet me today. I am busy. Can't talk right now. Get up. Get up early in the morning. Wake him up. क्या आप उसको जगा दो. Wake up. Get dressed well. Get dressed quickly. Switch off the TV. Switch off the TV. Does any student of your class talks in English? Does any student of your class talks in English? अगर कोई भी नहीं बात कर सकता इंग्लिश में तो आप कहेंगे nobody speaks English in my class. If some students can talk in English, you can say yes, some students speak in English, or there are some students who talk in English. Remind me later. Remind me later. कि मुझे आप बाद में याद करवाना. Return it safely. Reduce the volume. Remember the date. Put on your shirt. Let's talk to them. Let's talk to her. Note the address. Send him out. Pay the bill today. Throw it out or throw it in dustbin. This is fantastic idea. This is fantastic idea, you can say. Take these things with you. Take these things with you. Take these tablets for 3 days. These are some sentences. और इंग्लिश आप कभी भी सुनने से या देखने से रीडिंग से नहीं आती है, बल्कि इंग्लिश अगर आप कम्युनिकेट करेंगे then you can speak English. Hope today lecture is and thank you and have a nice day.